Good afternoon. A hazy, breezy day for the metro, and of course it's hot out there too. 91 degrees right now, and wind sustained out of the southeast at 20 miles per hour. So pretty breezy for us as a cold front starts to move in a little bit closer to us. Hazy here, but not really dealing with the smoke too much here. But of course we do have air quality alerts for areas surrounding the fire near Los Alamos. You can see these locations highlighted in orange from the Santo Domingo Pueblo up into Santa Fe, Espanola, and on up into Cuesta. This morning winds more out of the northwest, pushing some of that smoke toward Santa Fe, but now those winds are more out of the south, and so we're going to see more of an issue over near Espanola and getting up to near Albuquerque as we head through the rest of this afternoon, and those winds continue to pick up. So of course we're dealing with winds there, and then we're going to see even stronger winds over in the northeast, and the cold front is going to be pushing in, and that's going to mean scattered showers and storms this afternoon, and some of these could be on the severe side. The Storm Prediction Center out of Oklahoma has issued a slight risk for this area that you see here in yellow. So Raton, Las Vegas, Clovis, even just to the north of Roswell. We could be looking at storms producing damaging wind this afternoon, a large hail, and perhaps even an isolated tornado. And the primary times for those storms will be anywhere from 4 o'clock and after tonight, and then we'll continue with the threat for severe weather through noon tomorrow. And then the areas that you see highlighted in green, we're not worried about severe thunderstorm activity here, but we are going to be on the lookout for storms. So that includes the metro area, Socorro, down into Silver City, and even down into Roswell and Carlsbad. Some of these storms could be dry thunderstorms because we're not going to have a lot of moisture there. And so not good news for those of you or the firefighters that are fighting those fires. We could be dealing with lightning without the rain. So something we're going to keep a very close eye on. Right now, mainly quiet out there, but we are starting to see a few thunderstorms pop up over near the Sacramentos, so east of Socorro, near Carrizozo, Ruidoso, and Alamogordo. Otherwise, it is hot and just very hot out there. Looking at temperatures already in the triple digits for Carlsbad, 100 degrees there, 97 in Roswell, 91 right now in Albuquerque, and then we're in the low to mid 80s up to the north. Los Alamos 79, and you're going to get into the mid 80s, so firefighters are going to have to battle the heat this afternoon as well. So we're looking at a breezy, hot day. Continuing with the triple-digit heat down in the southeast. That cold front again bringing scattered thunderstorms primarily for the northeast, east central plains, watching for the severe weather there. And then, of course, going into tomorrow, we'll see better chances for isolated storms up in the north and western part of the state. But there's a chance we may see a stray storm there late this afternoon and this evening as well. Your forecast now for the northwest. We're looking at temperatures today in the 90s just about everywhere, with temperatures falling off into the 50s tonight. Here's your extended forecast for Durango and Farmington. Better chances for rain will move in for the middle of the week for the Four Corners and stick around through the weekend. Down in the southwest, could see an isolated thunderstorm or two tonight, with temperatures, of course, topping out in the triple digits and down into the 60s and 70s tonight. 98 even in Silver City, but it gets a little better over the next couple of days. And then the weather could be a little unsettled finishing up the work week and going into the weekend. South and east, more heat. 104 in Roswell, 108 in Carlsbad. May see a stray thunderstorm here. Better chances to the north of the southeast, though, and temperatures in the triple digits through Wednesday and even close to that for the end of the work week as well. North and east, scattered storms, some severe. We'll keep a close eye on it. Temperature-wise, 80s and 90s this afternoon, 88 in Las Vegas. More storms are possible tomorrow, and then the chances start to go down by Wednesday. Northern mountains, scattered storms could see gusty winds to 40 miles per hour with temperatures in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. 94 in Santa Fe. We'll see the chance for a stray thunderstorm there tomorrow, and for the east mountains, more heat. May see a stray thunderstorm this afternoon or this evening with highs in the 90s, and for the metro, hot again, triple digits for the South Valley, 98 downtown. More heat as we finish out the week. A few more clouds over the next couple of days, but otherwise staying mainly dry in the metro area. So winds increasing again, and we'll be watching for that up near the fires.
Okay, thank you, Kristen. A final word when we come back.